Today we are actually going out and we are doing something different. Or is it different? We are going to, well, okay, first of all, we upgraded our shocks because we blew them. The roads are still very bumpy. So something I've wanted to do for a while, and it helps with the job as well, is to throw in a compressor. So that is what we are doing. We are throwing in an ARB twin tank compressor, and that is going under the hood. And we are going to have a blast with that. So when we're in the back roads, we can now air down our tires, so we'll actually have a softer ride. And when we're back on pavement, we can actually put air back in our tires so that we're running our tires at full pressure. And this will help a lot. That's step 2. Step 3 will be changing of the tires, but one step at a time. So that is what we're doing today. We're heading down to North Shore Off-Road, and they are doing the work. I've got the tank in the back, and I've got all the supplies that I think we need. I'm not sure about one thing, so I will ask them about that. And let's see what happens. Well, let's do this. Hey. How are you?
Not bad. What are you, man?
Surviving.
No, that.
Yeah, so I have the inflator.
Okay, you have the inflator? Perfect.
What was the other thing?
The digital tire inflator gauge. Inflation of the compressor.
Yep.
Perfect. And we'll get the keys off you, my good man. Perfect. So quick walk around with the ARB rapid air deflator. So it's a pretty handy tool. It removes the valve core and dumps air about as fast as you can get without poking a hole in the side of the tire. So basically, what you want to do is you want to start off by having the plunger extended. If you got it in the way, it won't seat properly. All the way to the base. We'll give it a nice tight grip. So when you push it on, I caught it first time, but normally you'll see it slides along and then grabs. Put a little bit of forward pressure on it. Close the dump valve. And remove. Once these tools get a little bit used, you'll see it wants to come out under its own pressure. So now we have the valve core removed. The pressure on the tire is currently set at 40. We're now at 39.5 or 38.5. Really quick. Already down to 35. And then upon completion, press it in. Don't put too much resistance, gentle turn until it naturally wants to grab. Firmly pushing on the back at the same time. Seed, and you'll notice that the gauge now no longer has pressure. You always want to check, listen for an audible hiss. Nothing on this one, we're good to go. Plunger out of the way and remove the tool. And you're good to hit the trails. So you would want to keep the vehicle pressure, like vehicle running. That gives it a little bit more amperage on it, but it will make for terrible videotaping. That's exactly how we go. So you can hear it's already got pressure in the system. Obviously, be really careful of running it anywhere near the fan. One piece of advice I like to give, because I've actually seen them go through before. It will have a pressure shut off at 150 for the unit. So the unit is currently pressurized. So it shows what we have for pressure on it, and all it has to do is fill. So 55 PSI running through it, let go. So it's gone up a little bit. And that's all that's left in the reserve tank. So now we gotta turn it on. Again, that's where it has an internal shutoff port. You can see the actual pressure running through it. 38. 39. 40. This is a fast compressor.